Hello there, Pisces. Welcome back to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me, and I am here today with your love guidance. So this love guidance is going to be for you guys from November 16th to the 30th. So it's basically the last 2 weeks of November. This may resonate with you, some of you it may not, but also I would say give it some time to resonate as well. If you are single and ready to mingle, if you are trying to get with someone, if you're in a situationship, you like someone, have a crush, then this is for you. If you feel the need to get any kind of personal guidance and go deeper within your situation and find out real time and real life answers as to what's going on in your situation, and to hear the truth, nothing but the truth about what's going on, right? And how someone feels about you, then I do have all of my readings available at my shop, so you can check that out. The link for that is at the beginning of this video. If you want to check it out, also hit the title of this and you'll see once the description box expands, you hit the more and you'll see where the link is for the shop. Everything right now is half off, and that is a Black Friday sale that I'm running, so take advantage if you want to. All right, so Pisces, let's talk about love now. All right, so what's going on with you within this love connection? I feel like not much right now, because I think right now you're focused on what matters the most to you. What is important to you? That's what's important. That's what you're focused on. How is your mental health? How is your well-being? How do you feel right now, knowing that there is a time in your connection where you may not know the future of it. You may not know, like where it's going at all. You may not know what's going on right now. So I think your peace of mind is something that you're trying to get back, or you're trying to get back to a place where you have a peace of mind about everything that's going on in your life right now. I have a message, a very special message. I rarely come through with messages in general readings for the public. Rarely this happens. Usually I'm just telling you, what's up with you and what's up with them. Not really going into any kind of like guidance here for the general public, but I have an angel message for you, Pisces. And the message today is, do not struggle to make sense of it all right now. Don't try to make it all make sense. This is going to benefit you greatly now and in the future. When you learn to kind of relax more and stop trying to wreck your brain about figuring everything out in a situation right now, that's how you're going to get your peace of mind. And this is a special message coming from myself, so the best thing to do is listen and take heed. All right, because you may have so much going on. Okay, now back to the message, back to the guidance. All right, so you guys could be feeling like everything, is just happening at a fast pace, but the story is unfolding right now, and you should let the story unfold naturally at this time. Keep your eyes on the prize. Keep your eyes on the prize. Focus on what it is that you have in your vision for your future, for your life. Never let up on your haters. That's another special message for you guys, because I get a sense that you have a lot of people hating on you for no reason right now. You may have a lot of people who don't like you because you're beautiful, or who don't like you because you are sensual. The way you express yourself, it could be causing haters or people getting jealous of that. People may be hating on you right now because of your relationship that you have with someone, because they always see you happy. People are not happy, so they see you happy, so they're hating on that. Nobody's like congratulating with you. Nobody's trying to tell you that, good job, you're doing a good job, or nobody's telling you that they're so happy for you and your person being in love with each other or being happy about each other. No one's like, oh my God, he really loves you, I'm so happy, I'm so glad that he's making you happy, or oh my gosh, she really does love you, I'm so happy for you. But it's because what you have compared to a lot of people is a treasure. You have something that people would kill for, something that people would dream for. You have struck gold when it comes to love. And I feel like some of you have, and this could be in any way. I'm going to call out a few examples. Some of you may have found the perfect person. Some of you may have found just a really good man who takes care of the family, who wants, or maybe someone who wants to take care of you, or who sees you as family and wants to take care of you like family, who will do anything for you. Some of you have a person that's really loyal. Some of you have someone who treats you like a queen or a princess. Some of you have someone who really does make you smile. So you have a treasure of a love life or a partner. Maybe it's just your connection. Maybe people see that, you and this person, when you're out together, you're always smiling, you're always having fun, or you're always happy. So you have a lot of people, so many people don't like you. People don't like the connection so much because you're so happy. They don't like it so much that it makes you feel like it's wrong. It makes you feel like it's bad. It makes you feel like you've done something wrong. But that is just how much envy you didn't realize. I feel like this is a revealing time where you didn't realize how much envy people have of you, because they feel like you have it all. People look at you, some of you Pisces out there, some of you guys, they look at you and they feel like, how do you have your head on straight? You're smart. You're beautiful. You have a good soul. You are a good person. And you have love. And the love of your life on top of that. People don't know how you do what you do to attract these good things to you. And believe it or not, you're going to really realize a big lesson, Pisces. And this lesson you're going to learn is that the hate is real and the love is fake from people. You're going to learn a big important lesson, or you have learned already a big important lesson about how people who you think are supposed to love and support you are not. They're actually hating on you the most. People who you think may hate on you, like strangers, co-workers, colleagues, they may be the people that actually love you for real. It's your family that probably doesn't really find you to be, a person that they want to be around. Like, these people are envious of you, but people that are not your family, but you may feel like they're family, they actually love you. So you may get confused about what's real and what's fake, or who's real and who's fake. And I'm here to tell you, the people who you may look at as family, or who look at you as family, that's what's real. Your life is going through a major shift, and things are getting so weird for you, Pisces, where you probably thought you can trust every family member around you, or the friends that you've always had in your life, but you're realizing now the truth. Nothing is wrong with you. It's just that your eyes are open. These people saw that you were asleep for so long. You were like Sleeping Beauty, and everybody just did anything they wanted to do around you because they didn't think that you were woke to see. Now that you see, now you gotta really it's gonna be a hard pill to swallow. But I promise you, you're going to see your real family is not your real family. They are your real enemies and bullies and people external to you who may say, you may have a best friend that's like, or not even a best friend. You may have like a distant friend or a distant associate that calls you a best friend, even though to you, you're not that close to this person. But they're like, man, I really love you, Pisces. Like, you're my girl, you're my guy. Like, I got love for you. That's who really loves you. That's who would do anything for you. That's the ones who fight for you, who care about you, who protect you, who have your back, who stand up for you. That's the people who love you. The people that you actually think love you right now, they don't. They're hating on you so bad. And I'm getting that for someone out there now. Keep in mind that this is a general public message, so it is not going to apply to everyone, and I don't want you to turn against people in your family because you feel like this applies to you. This will only apply to you is if you see it happening in your life and in real life. If you don't see it, don't make yourself see it. If it is not broken, don't break it. All right. So moving on, your person of interest. This person feels kind of dreamy when it comes to you. They're definitely pulling on their intuition right now. They're really going to be using their intuition for the next 2 weeks to understand and figure out what's going on with you. They're going to have a lot of thoughts about you, a lot of things running through their mind about you. Every day they're thinking about you. This person is in the process right now of revamping themselves for you. They could be changing everything for you, changing the way that they walk, talk, act, think. This person wants to be a better person for you. You bring this out of this person. They feel like they want to be better because they see what's going on with you. They want to start over fresh. They want to start over on a new page with you. And this is them having hopes of being rewarded for their persistence with you and putting in the time, energy, and efforts in order to build a solid foundation with you right now. So they feel like if I revamp myself with the Pisces and I change all of these things and make life better for this Pisces, then I'm finally going to win this Pisces whole heart. And this person is going to finally want to be with me. So that's what they're focused on right now. I feel this person is definitely taking things seriously. They're thinking about spending the rest of their life with you. And it is because they have so much love for you, Pisces. I don't think that you guys understand. I don't think that sometimes you even know or that you feel how much this person loves you. No matter what they look like today, your person can be a thug with tattoos in their face. It doesn't matter. This person loves you, and they love you unconditionally. They love you through and through. Through and through. They absolutely do, and they're very, very serious, and they've never wanted to change for anybody but you. So you may see this as someone who really needs to call back in their power and to remember who they are, because you could see your person acting in a different type of way right now, and you could be like, this is not you. I need you to act like the person that I fell in love with or the person that I really like. Why are you acting strange? Are you like, you need to be taking action toward me right now? Like, what are you doing? Why aren't you communicating? You need to come talk to me. So you want this person to, give to you. And I think that they are. I think that for the next 2 weeks, they're going to be really generous toward you. For some of you, they could be giving you money or investing in your business. Or they could be just giving you love, like a lot of love from their heart toward you. They could be in this energy of wanting to connect with you, wanting to nurture you, and just keep giving to you because of how much they love you. And they really, really, really want to make you feel like, if nobody's here for you, I'm here for you. If your family doesn't love you, I love you. If your family doesn't care about you, I care about you. If they want to backstab you, I'll never backstab you. If they don't fight for you, I'm gonna stand up for you. And I mean that. So this is a person that's like really, really serious about this. I mean serious. And they're very passionate about it, and they're very upset about something. There's got to be something going on, you guys, with your family that's involved in this. And your family has done something or is doing something that your person knows about or sees or feels, or intuitively they're picking up something that they know, and your person is not having it. They're like, oh no, we're gonna have our own family. We're going to have a future. I'm going to be with you. Like, this person has so much love for you, you guys. Even if this is like a new person, they see what you're going through, the karma that these people are putting you through. So your person sees that, like, They have so many things that they want to give you, Pisces. They're just, oh my God, they're just waiting. Your person is just like, I cannot wait to give the Pisces everything that I've been wanting to give this Pisces. I'm so glad that the Pisces eyes is finally open. They're so glad that your eyes are finally open to the truth about who you had around you, to the truth about the people in your life, to the truth about why people feel like they hate you so much. It's because of their love for you. Your person is already aware that people were going to hate on you because they love you so much. So they really just want you to open up your heart and just let them love you. I'm hearing, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything that you want and need. So this person is like, but this is another thing, and I'm going to let you guys go. But this is another thing that this person is asking. They want you both to be dependent on each other. They want, like, if you feel like you need love, they want you to come to them. If they need love, they're going to come to you. If you need somebody to talk to, please come to them. If they need somebody to talk to, they want to be able to tell you. They want all their secrets to be with you. Bring your secrets to them. They don't want people in your business. They don't want your family knowing certain things. They don't want their family knowing certain things. They don't want to go run to people and look for love because they know that people are fake. They're coming like the realest person that you have in your life, and they're trying to show you that. And so that's why I feel like they're making this great change in their life right now. They're about to start changing so many things just so that they can be that person in your life, because this is someone who genuinely cares about you and feels like you don't deserve that. All right? And that's all I have. Ooh, wow. God bless.